Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Inkscape tutorial for beginners. I am Shai Sheikh. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to create an infographic. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials. If you are interested to know how to use Inkscape, you can check my other YouTube videos where I have explained step by step guide. By seeing those videos, you will be able to apply those things in your graphic designing project. Now we will see how to create this infographic, which is very easy. You can see there is a rectangle object here only and some text, here also text, and here a icon. Let's get started. Open up the Inkscape. Now first I will go to the file, document properties, display unit I will set to the pixels, unit also pixels, border, show page border I will uncheck this one, cancel this one. Now come here to the view. Make sure you have custom selected. Now come here to the zoom 101. Open up this menu, align and distribute object. Also this one, edit object color gradient. Now first I will create a rectangle. To create a rectangle I will select this, create rectangles and squares, and I will draw a rectangle. We can notice here we see no object here. This is because of coloring. Now I will come here to the color palette and choose a color. Now it is visible to us. Now I will select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard I will get rid of the stroke. I will give this one a little 50% gray color. Select this one. Now I will make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, and I will place it here. Change the color. I will give it this 30% gray. Now I will select it here and I will bring this inward to make it smaller. Now I will click one more time so we get this rotation angle. Now by holding control in the keyboard I will select this arrow and bring this 2 step downward. 1, 2. Now select this. Now come here to the snapping section, enable the snapping. Now come here and select this snap to path. Now place it here. You will see it will automatically get snapped to the corner. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again I will select this. I will make a duplicate of this. Now this time we can use a keyboard shortcut to duplicate. We can use a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl D. Now place it here. Now I will select this one and I will bring this rightward to make it bigger. This much is better. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now I will zoom out. To zoom out like this, in and out, we can simply hold Ctrl and scroll the mouse. To drag like this, hold Ctrl and right click on the mouse, drag wherever you want. Now I will drag over this whole graphic and come here and select this group selected object. Now place it here. Let's give this one this yellow color. I will make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, place this down. When we bring this down, it will automatically get snapped to the corner. Now come here to the color palette, change the color. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. We can also use Ctrl D to duplicate, which is the keyboard shortcut, as I have said earlier. Change the color. Now again right click, duplicate, place this down, change the color. Now I will select this one. Let's say to this one give this color. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again I will grab over this whole graphic. Now ungroup this by selecting this ungroup selected object. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now come here and select this one. this middle graphic. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this all. Now make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, change the color. Now come here to the path, union. Now bring this rightward, we will use it later on. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now I will select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this and this. Now come here to the path, union. Repeat this process. Now select out of the graphic first to deselect. Now we will repeat this, select this, by holding shift in the keyboard, select this. Now come here to the path, union. Select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this and this one. Now come here to the path, union. Select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, I will select this remaining two. Now come here to the path, union. Again repeat the process, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this one. Now this one. Now come here to the path, union. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now select this one, bring this here. When we bring this here, it will automatically get snapped. Now come here to the color palette and bring this here to the leftward and give this one a 10% gray color. Now come here to the fill section, fill and stroke. Select this fill. In flat color, select this HSL tab. Under this, come here to the A section. Now bring this to the leftward, or we can simply click it here and give it a value of 120, or let's say 150. Let's say this one are 20% gray. %10 gray looks good. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. We have created a basic structure. Now I will place a text. Now select this to put a text, create and edit text object. Click it here. Now I will write it here a step. Select this one. Now open up this view and select font family. This menu enable us to change the font family of the text. I will use this Lobster 1.3. Apply. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, I will drag this outward to make it bigger. If you want this font, you can check the link in the description below. Now make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this here to the rightward. Now again select this one, create an edit text object. Now I will press backspace to delete this. Now I will type 0, 1. Select this, bring this to the rightward and bring this little word down. This much is better. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now grab over this whole word step 1. Now make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this down. Again now let go of the control, right click, duplicate, hold Ctrl and bring this down. Let go of the control, right click, duplicate, hold Ctrl and bring this down. Right click, duplicate, hold Ctrl and bring this down. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again select this one, create an edit text object. Now I will come here and select it here. Press backspace to delete. Now I will increase the number to the 2. Now come here, click it, backspace, give it a value of 3. Select this one, backspace 4. Select this one, backspace 5. Now select this. Now select out of the graphic first and grab over this whole. and give it a white color. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now I will select this, right click, duplicate. Now bring this here. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. By holding control in the keyboard, bring this down, right click, duplicate. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this down, right click, duplicate. Now by holding control, bring this down, right click, duplicate. Now by holding control, bring this down. Now we will see here, first is idea, think, team, start and group. Now I will write idea. Now select it here, backspace to delete. Now I will type think, select this one. Now I will type team, select this one, backspace to delete. Now I will type launch, select this one, backspace to delete, and I will type start. Select this. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. We have almost created our infographic. Now we have to place this icon. These icons I will not create in Inkscape, rather we will download it from the website. Now minimize it. Now I will open a Google. I will type it here, flat icon, enter. Now open up this first, www.flaticon.com. This is an icon hub. You can find any icon you want to use in your graphic designing. They provide both free and premium. We want this bulb, this book, and this theme, rocket, and this. Now I will type here a light bulb. Here it is. You can see this. I will open up this one. Now it gives us two options to download. We can download this as a PNG or as a SVG. Download this in SVG. Now click here to the free download. It will start downloading. I will not download all 5 as I have downloaded it. You can go through this website. You can search icons, which one you want to use in your graphic designing. Now we will get back to our infographic. Open up this one. Now as I already downloaded it, you can see here infographic. I will open up this one, all this one. Now first I will open up this one, bulb. Now by dragging over this hole, I will select this hole. Now right click, copy. Now come here to our infographic, right click, paste. Now cancel this one, come up here. Now I will grab over this hole, right click, copy. Now come to our infographic, right click, paste. Group this. Now open up this one, grab over this hole, right click, copy, come to our infographic, right click, paste. Group also this one, bring here to the left side. Now open up this next one, grab over this hole, right click, copy, come to our infographic, right click, paste. Now we will open up this one, grab over this hole, right click, copy. Now come to our infographic, right click, paste. Now I will delete this all, cancel this one, cancel this one, cancel this one. Now we have only remaining our infographic. Now I will zoom out little bit, select this one. Now come up here. Now what I will do, I first select this. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select the bigger graphic. Now group this object. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, I will drag this inward to make it smaller. Also to this one, select this. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, make it smaller and place it here to the team. I will make it more smaller. Maybe that far is good. Select it here. Let me little bit zoom in. To zoom in and out like this, we can simply hold Ctrl and scroll the mouse. Now select this bulb. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, drag this inward to make it smaller. Place it here. Make it more smaller. Place it here. Now I will select this. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, drag this inward to make it more smaller. Bring it here. Place it here to the start. Make it more smaller. This much is better. Now select this one. Bring this here. Make it more smaller by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard. Drag this inward so it will get smaller. We need one icon here. I will open up this one. This hook. Now by dragging over this hole, I will right click, copy. Now come to our infographic, right click, paste. Bring this here. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, drag this inward to make it smaller. Now I will place it here. Select out of the graphic to deselect. Now I will grab over these all 5 icons. Now cancel this one first. Now come here to the align and distribute. Center on vertical axis. Now come here to the color palette, select this white color. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. So guys, that's how we can create an infographic using Inkscape. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in the next video.